Are you ready to discover some of the most powerful and practical tools and car gadgets that can make your daily life safer, easier, and more productive? Today, I've got 5 incredible products that will change the way you work on cars, protect your vehicle, and even speed up your DIY projects. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Electric Welding Machine. This handheld portable welder is designed for both professionals and hobbyists. With 4600 watt power and dual voltage compatibility, you can use it on EU 220 volt or US 110 volt outlets without hassle. It has an efficient cooling system for continuous operation and a digital anti-stick design that prevents electrodes from sticking. The current and thrust adjustment knob gives you complete control over welding performance. Despite its power, it's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for on-site welding jobs at just 250 by 100 by 250 millimeters. Number 4, Step Drill Bit. This HSS titanium-coated step drill bit set is an essential tool for anyone working with metal or wood. Unlike ordinary straight drills, the spiral groove design gives smoother cutting, better chip removal, and stronger guidance. Made from high-speed steel 4241, it's perfect for wood boards, plastic, and thin iron sheets with hardness below 25 degrees. With titanium coating and hexagon shank for stability, these step drill bits are durable, precise, and a must-have for any toolkit. Number 3, Car Door Protector. Protecting your vehicle from scratches and chips is now simple with this universal U-shape edge guard. Made from PVC with steel reinforcement, it's tough, weatherproof, and reusable in all 4 seasons. It easily fits any car model, shields the paintwork from knocks, and can even cover existing damage. The strip is simple to cut and install, and once applied, it stays firmly in place. For anyone who values their car's appearance, this edge protector is a small investment with big results. Number 2, Cartool Smoke Detector. Diagnosing car leaks has never been easier. The Cartool T105 Smoke Leak Detector is lightweight, portable, and comes with a built-in air pump to generate smoke quickly. With smart overheat protection, the unit shuts down automatically if it exceeds 80 degrees Celsius, ensuring safe use. It comes with a 2-year warranty for peace of mind and works on cars, motorcycles, boats, and more. Whether you're a mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this leak detection tool is an absolute game changer for finding hidden problems fast. Number 1, USB car charger. Fast charging on the road is now possible with this upgraded 83-watt USB-C car charger. Equipped with a 65-watt PD port and an 18-watt QC 3.0 port, it can charge laptops, tablets, and smartphones at lightning speed. It even has an LED voltage display to monitor your car battery in real time. The independent button switch controls the USB-A port and LED light, while the USB-C port automatically shuts off when your device is fully charged. With waterproof and dustproof protection, this charger is perfect for cars, trucks, RVs, motorcycles, and boats. Whether it's powering up a MacBook in 1.5 hours or charging your phone 3 times faster, this charger is a must-have for every vehicle. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.